online advertising marketplaces uses 2D descriptive photos, outdated technology, and plain textual descriptions to explain such content. Also, most listings have no real security for client transparency. The majority have high risk involved. But what if we can make the online experience in commerce easier, faster, detailed, and transparent with three-dimensional video content? U-VIDIFY is the key. By utilizing blockchain technology and high-definition videography, members can post or view listings in actual real-time on any PC or handheld device. This allows global transparency of the listed product or services conducted on the application. Members can also list products or services that embed smart contracts to ensure an even, smoother transaction. U-VD tokens are rewarded to members for positive reviews and safe transactions conducted. This creates an enjoyable global marketplace experience for everyone. It truly is a win-win service for the entire global marketplace. From auctioneers, dropshippers, realtors, influencing to entrepreneurs, the income possibilities are endless. U-VIDIFY is going to change the world on how we use e-commerce and classified advertising space.